NEM stock analysis next week, Monday. Is it a buy or sell? Let's see where is it going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. Context: I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors. I've called out thousands of correct predictions on my YouTube channel, and all of it has been documented. Here, this previously was a demand zone, which I really cared about. And honestly, to look back, now it's still like a general bullish market, honestly. Like if I look at it from a higher time frame chart, started to shift. Yeah, this is such a solid bullish market. When I say it's bullish for me, doesn't mean that I'm going to buy though. Not necessarily, because what I see here is this 2-hour chart. We have a cool demand zone, which doesn't necessarily again mean that I'll buy. The only time when I'm actually going to buy is if I see a proper double break. And that's here. So if I don't see this double break, then there's just no reason, just no way that I'll be getting involved. So I will continue to keep you updated. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's our free newsletter.